Ladies and gentlemen, how to spike your Frappuccino. Maybe you're having a frap tonight and you want it spiked. So we grab our blender, grab a caramel Frappuccino. You just pour the whole thing in, drop in some extra ice cubes, and then hit it with a bit of caramel vodka. Now, if you don't have caramel vodka at home, going back into my voice, Irish cream, just use caramel syrup and regular vodka. Come behind it with a bit of coffee liqueur. Beautiful. Blender. And blend away, okay? Now watch what we do. We pour it back into our Starbucks, not Starburst cup, after we add some caramel syrup, okay? Put the lid on. Put some whipped cream on before you put the lid on. I used to work at Starbucks, 6 months. 6 months, I put in 6 months serving Starbucks, okay? Put the little cover on. And now you head back to the office, okay? Hey, guys, I'm just enjoying. Sky, you look like you really love that Frappuccino. Oh, yes, I do.